Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to create a simple yet fun project using HTML and JavaScript. We are going to make a light bulb turn on and off with the click of a button. Let's dive right in. In this project, we'll use HTML to create the structure of our webpage and JavaScript to add interactivity. Here's what the final result will look like. When you click the Turn on the Light button, the bulb will light up, and when you click Turn off the light, the bulb will go off. First, let's start with the HTML. We'll create a basic HTML document with a heading, a paragraph, an image for our bulb, and 2 buttons. Here's the code. We start with the doctype HTML declaration, which defines the document type and version of HTML. The HTML tag encloses the entire HTML document. In the head section, we include meta information like character encoding and viewport settings, and set the title of the webpage. In the body section, we create a heading, H2, bulb on off, H2, to display the title. A paragraph, P, click the buttons to turn the bulb on and off, P, with instructions. An image, imid is equal to, bulb src is equal to, .bulbof.gif, style is equal to, width, 100px, that represents the bulb, starting in the off state. 2 buttons, button on click is equal to, turn on the light, button, and button on click is equal to, turn off the light, button, that will trigger JavaScript functions to turn the bulb on and off. Finally, we need to link our JavaScript file to the HTML document. Add the following line before the closing body tag in your HTML file. Adding JavaScript. Next, we'll add the JavaScript to make our buttons functional. We'll create 2 functions, turn on and turn off. These functions will change the src attribute of our image to switch between the bulb on and bulb off images. The turn-on function changes the src attribute of the image with the ID, bulb2.bulbon.gif. This switches the image to the bulb on state. The turn-off function changes the src attribute of the image back to .bulbof.gif, switching the image to the bulb off state. Let's see it in action. Open your HTML file in a web browser. Now, when you click Turn on the light, the bulb lights up, and when you click Turn off the light, the bulb turns off. It's that simple. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've just learned how to create an interactive light bulb using HTML and JavaScript. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to stay updated with more awesome content. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!